After waiting for this moment for over a year, we finally make it, Ngkala Rocks. Let's see what it's all about.
I'd be lying if I didn't say I was a little bit nervous. Chucking her in low range now, and I'm hoping that I don't lose all my momentum. And it is very uneasy driving through this. Pretty squishy. I imagine if you're on a 200 or a 300, this would be extra squishy. Alrighty, making the bend. Now into the water section, just need to make sure I'm on the right angle. Huh? Can you hear me? Oh, it's deeper than I thought. Alrighty, let's build some momentum and hopefully get up here first try. Alright, this is where it's going to start getting soft. No, you good thing. Still looking soft up here. Oh wow, this is way longer than I thought it was. I thought it just ended there. There's another one coming around the corner. Go on. Go on! Go! Go! Hey, we made it. Oh, now this is soft. So get a bit firmer again. I ain't stopping Soslos. I might have to walk back and get it. What, there's another climb? This is actually soft. Or is that the way out? I don't know which way to go. We went right, took the chicken. That was intense. Oh, the way out of this is going to be rough.
We now thought we were on the final stretch to Sandy Cave. Then we're confronted with this ledgy, rocky section, then into this long, soft, sandy hill climb. This is going to be fun.
Don't know if this is always like this, but it looks like it's going to be fun. Oh, that is soft up there. I'm going to give it some boot. That's up. We're going Ngkala Rocks backwards. We just literally watched someone get airborne up this, so we're not going to be going quite as fast as them. There you go. It's not always about going 100 k's an hour, just knowing when to accelerate. I don't want to speak too soon though, because this bit is soft. There we go. Now we're just going down and then into the actual rock section. This is ooh, soft.
This is where I sank when I was walking.
I'm sure you can hear it. You really have to put your foot down in some places. This bit still makes me a little bit nervous, so I feel like you're gonna get panel damage. So such a sick little obstacle. There we go, made it through in reverse. Dare I say, maybe harder than the normal way, but still great fun.